Hey guys, it's an incredible 3.5 years already since I've started uploading gliding vlogs here on my YouTube channel. Most of my gliding videos are captured with an action cam, like this GoPro Session 5, and later on I used the DJI Osmo Action. It's really difficult to fly a glider with one hand and to capture great videos with a bigger camera in the other hand. I try to include my Panasonic GH5 footage as much as possible, but especially when you're flying in a competition, when you're flying on the ridge or when you're making outlanding, then it's really not possible and also not safe to film handheld. So how do I mount this action cam in a glider? At the beginning I attached the GoPro directly onto the headrest of my standard bell. But later on, when I was flying a sponsored glider from the German Aero Club and other gliders from all around the world, I need a more versatile and easy to mount solution. That's why I designed my own camera mount to attach an action cam directly onto the canopy with suction cups. This camera mount is custom designed by me and 3D printed. It uses 3 suction cups. At the beginning, when I designed the first version for the GoPro Session 5, there I used only 2 suction cups, but I noticed that with 2 suction cups and the heavier camera, it's really not enough. It wobbles around, especially at the launch and at the end. With these 3 suction cups now, it's really stable. It's a good mount and easy to use. You only have 2 things to adjust. You can tilt down here the camera so that you can focus more on the stick and into the interior of the glider, or more to the exterior of the glider, to the weather and the clouds and so on. Other than that, you can adjust the angle a little bit, the way you stick it onto the canopy. You can rotate it and you can also move it more up or more down, because the canopy has a curve. So if you are more up, it will tilt more to the left side and otherwise more to the right side. So yeah, I think it's enough to have only these options. I've tested this camera in the HT29, in the Dual Discus, in the Discus 2V, and also in the LS8. So in all these more modern looking canopies, it's no problem. It works great. I'm not sure if the standard bell works fine with this one, because there the curve is different, and the first option was more focused on the standard bell, and there the angles were a little bit different to the current version. If you also want to make your own gliding videos with a setup like that, then there are 2 options available to get this camera mount. The first option is, if you have a 3D printer at home, then you can just download this file for free, buy some suction cups, and you're good to go. The second option is, if you don't have a 3D printer at home and want to support my channel, then you can head to my webshop and get this camera mount there, including 3 suction cups. For the first 20 orders, I will include a Steve-Fly bandana for free. So be quick, and I hope to see more gliding videos on social media soon. Perhaps recorded with this camera mount. So stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and I hope we are back in the air as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and see you next time. Cheers!